Welcome, it's DC. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining how the volatility index killer arrow works. So I've recently created what I call the volatility index killer arrow. You can see we have these arrows. This is the volatility index killer arrow. So when there is a blue arrow, you buy, and when there is a red arrow, you sell. But there's more to this. So with this indicator, you can use it to trade almost all the Deriv synthetic indices. So for example, here we have a blue arrow. We're going to buy at this point, and there's another arrow. It means that we can add a position, and we can also hold our previous order. So at this point, we're going to add a position, or we keep on holding the position. Then when there's a red arrow, we close. So here we have a blue arrow. We're going to close this cell. Then we're going to buy at this point. So now we are now here. So when we buy and there is a blue arrow, we can add a position. Or it's just a confirmation that you can hold your position. So we're going to keep on holding at this point. Then we move on to the next one. We are holding or we're adding position because there's a continuation of the what? Of the upward trend. So we're only going to close when we have reached a red arrow. For example, here at this point, we now have a red arrow indicating that we should close our trade. So we close, then we instantly open our what? Our sale. We can use this for swing trading. We can use this for swing trading. So at this point, we're going to sell, then we close at this point, then we buy. Then we are also going to buy at this point, then we close our buy at this point. Then here we now have a series of what? Red arrows, indicating that there is a continuation of the trend, or indicating that we should add more position. There is now a downtrend. You can see they were all red arrows, indicating that we are moving down. So we are going to close this trade. We have received a blue arrow at this point. We're going to close our trade. So that's how simple you can use this arrow to make money trading volatility indexes. So let's look at an example where we're going to be setting the stop loss. How are we going to be setting our stop loss? So we're going to make use of the ATR, the average true range, with a period of 14, the default values. Then what we only want is only the value of the ATR. For example, if we have an arrow here at this particular price here, we want the value. For example, we have this value, which is at this point our value was 2205. So we're gonna bring our calculator. So we have 2205. Let's take the exact value. 2233. So we have 2233. Then we're gonna multiply it by 2. We multiply it by 2. Multiply by 2, then we have our answer. Then this answer, we are going to simply subtract it from the value of the price. So at this particular point, our price was, we say minus 36, 2854.93. So if you subtract it, we get this value. We want that value. We're gonna use our horizontal line so that we place that value on the horizontal line. Okay. So this is the value that we want. It's 35, 83, 88, 35, 83. 35, 83, 88.93. So this will give us our stop loss. So at this particular point, our stop loss will be here. So that's basically how we're going to be placing our stop loss. So don't worry about this. I'm going to make a separate video where I will explain how the ATR can be used to set stop loss. So if you're interested in this arrow, please use the details in the description. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Subscribing to my channel is free, so you can please support me by just subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. Bye bye.